Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is August 5th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Today, we have a pretty big drop in the S&P 500 E-mini futures as China kind of retaliates back against the U.S. trade policy. And what you're going to see here is that the futures right now are trading lower by 46 points to 28.86.5 per contract. So all in all, futures getting hit very sharply ahead of the opening bell today. Now we have lots of stocks in the news, lots of equities being affected by this big geopolitical event. So we'll see how this all plays out. But let's get started here. We're going to take a look at Tyson. Tyson Foods reported earnings. That stock is trading at $79.14, closed at $79.76. So that is down, taking a little bit. I would say anywhere around the $76 area, you probably have a little bit of short-term support, but we're going to have to look at this one once the opening bell rings. We don't want to really take any pre-market guesses here. We want to really see what this market does, because sometimes when the futures fall so hard and so quickly, that could weigh on stocks, especially stocks reporting earnings. You also have Berkshire Hathaway, I believe, down and out today as well. That stock closed at $202.67. Now trading at $199.38. I think this is on the back of earnings. This one I was able to do a little work on. I do think the stock has a little support around $195.50. So keep Berkshire.B shares on the radar around $195.50 today. Let's take a look at Hsbc. This stock this morning, I believe, is Hsbc. There we go. Stock right now is trading at $38.62. This closed at $39.36. So a little bit of a downtick there. I don't see anything great, though, so I'd kind of leave this one alone for now. We may look at it once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Then we have On Semiconductor. This is getting hit pretty hard. This closed at $19.98, now trading at $18.65. I don't even see a level here that gets me interested until we pierce the $16 range. Next up, we have a Chinese ADR reporting earnings, Sohu.com. That's trading at $11.38. down from $12.22, so that is getting hit as well. So again, these are the earnings. Let's get them out of the way. Let's talk about China-related equities. First off the bat, though, today, I'd like you to take a look here pretty quickly at the U.S. dollar versus the Chinese yuan, and you're going to see that that is now over 7. That will be highly talked about in the media today. Look at the daily chart here, just a soaring and roaring move. So China going about devaluing their currency at the moment. So we'll be watching that pretty closely. Now let's take a look at some Chinese ADRs like Alibaba. Alibaba today trading down around 154.98. Stock closed at 161. So this is getting a big haircut. Again, with this trade war escalating, these things can go lower. So be a little bit on the guarded side. But there will be lots of trade levels intraday today for these stocks. Let's take a look at Momo, MOMO. Stock is trading at $29.65. This closed at $31.01. Good little haircut here as well. Again, we'll look at this one intraday. We'll see how it settles out. Right now, it's very difficult to give you any major level this morning. Another one we'll take a look at here is Baidu. Baidu right now trading at $103.91. This closed at $107.76. This has been weak for a while now, and it remains near or at new lows. So again, this is one we could look at once the opening bell rings, but I'm not looking to do anything with it until I see how this market really opens up and if we get any kind of a flush this morning. Next up, I want to take a look at the casino stocks. Las Vegas Sands, that's trading at $54.25. This closed at $56.88. That's a good haircut. I do like the $50 level today if that does get down there, and I think it has a real good shot of doing that. Let's take a look at Wynn Resorts. This is trading at $115 right now, closed at $119.70. Again, we'll keep an eye on Wynn today. The $100 level definitely catches my eye. I don't know if we'll see it go that low. Caterpillar, another one that you want to watch today. Caterpillar at $121.75. Stock closed at $124.54. Again, Caterpillar, believe it or not, on a day like today, this could trade maybe to $116, $115. And that's where I would start to get a little interested in the name. Boeing would be another name, BA. Boeing right now trading at $333, closed at $339.56. So again, Boeing could see a stock that goes, could be a stock that goes down to around $327, $328 today. I would not rule that out. So you want to be a little bit guarded. Semiconductors also in play today. Take a look at the SMH this morning. That's trading at 110.27. This closed at 113.17. But look at stocks like NVDA, at 154.28. This closed at 161.19. Take a look here at Micron, MU. This is trading at 42.30. This closed at 44.08. AMD, another one. This is trading at 28.13. Stock closed at 29.44. Applied Materials, AMAT. This has been a hot mover lately. Now trading at 45.91. Closed at 47.55. So you've got lots of weakness out here today ahead of the opening bell. Now here's one area where you don't have weakness, and that's gold. If you take a look at the gold market today, gold futures trading up about 17 points to $1,475 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD. That's trading at fresh new highs at 137.90. And here's the big mover, gold miners. Gold miners trading at 28.47. If you take a look at a lot of the gold miners out there, KL is one of them. That's trading up around 46 bucks. Take a look at American AEM, which is Agnico Eagle. This is trading at 55.61. Take a look at Royal Gold, or GLD, trading at 119.36. Take a look at GOLD, which is Barrick Gold, trading at 17.45. All of the gold miners are flying high this morning, so there's a great move in the gold miners. Crude oil is getting hit on this news. That's down about 79 cents to $54.87 a barrel. So again, oil under some pressure. If you take a look at the USO, that is trading at $11.39, closed at $11.48. So oil under some pressure, a little bit of weakness there, and we'll see how this all plays out. But again, when you wake up to a big gap down like this, sometimes it's a buying opportunity, sometimes on a rare occasion it can be a sell the news event. But one thing I do think today, we will get a trader's event. So again, if you're a day trader, you like waking up to the volatility, that usually presents lots of opportunities. We had a great Friday, and again, we're going to look to keep 2019 being a hot year in the intraday stock chat room. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the